The flashing blue light on your Xfinity TV box serves as an important communication indicator between your box and remote control. This blue light is specifically a pairing indicator that shows the status of the connection between your TV box and your remote control. There are 4 distinct blue light patterns, each with a specific meaning. Let's examine what each pattern tells you about your device's status. A slow, steady flashing blue light means your TV box is in pairing mode and ready to connect with your remote control. A rapid flashing blue light indicates an active pairing attempt is currently in progress. A solid blue light confirms that pairing has been completed successfully and your remote is now connected. If there's no blue light at all, this means the box is not in pairing mode, or there may be a hardware issue that needs attention. The pairing process uses 3 different communication methods to ensure reliable connection between your devices. The primary communication method is radio frequency, or RF, which provides the most reliable connection over longer distances. Infrared serves as a backup communication method, requiring direct line of sight between the remote and the TV box. Bluetooth integration enables advanced features like voice commands and enhanced remote functionality. Several common factors can interfere with the pairing process and cause connection issues between your devices. Signal interference from other electronic devices operating on similar frequencies can disrupt the RF communication between your remote and TV box. Other common causes include low remote control batteries, outdated firmware on either device, physical obstructions blocking communication, and network connectivity problems. Understanding these blue light patterns and potential interference sources is the first step in diagnosing and resolving pairing issues with your Xfinity TV box and remote control. Most Xfinity blue light pairing issues can be resolved with basic troubleshooting steps. The first and most common solution is checking your remote control batteries. If battery replacement doesn't work, the next step is to power cycle your TV box. Unplug the power cord for 30 seconds, then reconnect it. This resets the internal systems and often resolves connectivity issues. Ensure there are no physical obstructions between your remote and the TV box. The remote needs a clear line of sight to communicate effectively with the box. If basic steps don't work, try manual pairing. Hold the setup button on your remote until the light turns green, then enter 991 on the remote keypad and wait for blue light confirmation. Electronic interference from other devices can disrupt the pairing process. Turn off nearby electronic devices like wireless routers, cell phones, or other remotes to eliminate potential interference. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset. Hold both the Setup and A buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds. This will restore the remote to its original settings and often resolves persistent pairing issues. If all these troubleshooting steps fail to resolve the flashing blue light issue, it may indicate a hardware failure. In this case, contact Xfinity customer support or schedule a technician visit for equipment replacement. Remember, most Xfinity blue light pairing issues can be resolved with these systematic troubleshooting steps. Start with the simplest solutions first and work your way through each step until the issue is resolved.